Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Okay, a couple days ago on the 4th of December, I did a video and I told you every single coin in PancakeSwap, all 2,274 tokens, I reviewed them. Everything that was under $10 for 10 bucks would get you a billion. Okay, here's the list, right, by the way. And I thought I would just go over them again. Not the questionable ones, but top ones here. And I thought I'll go over them and just take a look and see if they are still a viable product, actually, right? To see if a still a product here. Go to token sniffer. Okay, because before it was a viable product, it was fine on December 4th. That was 3 days ago, by the way. And so still, yeah, it looks like it's still a viable product, right? Obviously, so that one's okay. Let's see what we get if we put that in economics here. See that? Does it fit? Yeah, let's see if we can put it in economics here. That's our nice website here. Oh, interesting, right? The the so it's gone up a little bit, right? So look at the zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 19. Yeah. Right. So let's take a look at it quick. So if you put in $10, you would get a bunch. Okay, so volume's same. Four. What was I looking at here? What was I looking at? My whole goal, right, was just take a look at it and you get here, transparency. Great. I wanted to see something else, right? Here's also what I want to see, right? July 1st. When does it go back? So when they said it was recent, maybe it wasn't all. So it's like July it came about. All time high. Okay. So contract address, white paper, GitHub, Reddit, blog, site. I got a YouTube. Okay, so it's a D, right? I was trying to really get at the token sniffer. Wanted to see if it would change, and obviously it did. Okay, moving on to the next one. Baby Villa. See if it changed at all. Still 95, so it hasn't changed. Let's put it in the nomics. Villa. What is it? Grade doesn't have a grade. Scroll down, of course, right here. Somewhere down here, it'll give you a grade. There's no grade as of yet. When did it start trading? October 21st. Okay. Grade as of yet. So anyway, next one. So Little Rabbit. Little Rabbit. Oh, that's right. This one doesn't show up, I think. Doesn't show up as the volume, but it shows up. The 24-hour volume, it does. 24-hour volume, it doesn't show up, but it shows up in corner. Click it. See if it at all. This one, Little Rabbit. Still the same. Okay, good. But here, economics here. Get a grade, of course. Put it in this here. What is this one? This one is the Certic. Do they even have a Certic? Doubt it has one. Put it in there anyway. Nope. Doesn't look like it has one. Yeah. So not yet. That can't be good. Doesn't even have anything. Nevertheless, it doesn't like it from Token sniffer doesn't look like it's changed at all. The grade, I don't see a grade as of right now. So, okay, to be determined basically on that one. Redzilla. Redzilla. Here, that here in the token sniffer. Has it changed? Nope, pretty much the same, but a higher. I think that was the same last time, right? The buying fee was the same. Okay, let's put it in this one, Redzilla Comics here. Give it a grade. Still does not give it a grade. Okay. Next one. Red Fang or FR. Here. Okay. Copy the BSC scan. Over to our token sniffer. Put it in. Still the same. Oh. Okay. Yeah, still the same roughly. Yeah, I think it's still the same. I don't remember. I have to watch the video again, but I don't. I probably it's changed because I probably would have said something about this here. So that's probably changed. Otherwise, I would have probably said no. But maybe because I don't remember watching. I don't remember what I said in the video, but because I have to watch it again. But I think I didn't have a problem with these two. So come over to our economics here. Take a look. See what it has. Oh, it gives it a D. That's a good sign. That's great, at least. Grade. It's on the board. Poor. Transparency grade. Poor. Poor. Yeah. Okay. All right. Does it even have? Let's see if it has a cert. Certic. Cert. Ick. Nope. It doesn't have one. Okay. Leopard. Leopard. Token sniffer. What I'm after is I'm after like, does it change? Does it go down to 30 or something? You're like, oh, warning, warning, right? That's what I'm after right here. Even though it's been only 4 days, 3 days roughly, maybe it's changed. Who knows? Ooh, it's an A. Look at this, our first A. Look at that. Look at that, huh? Are you serious? A. A grade of an A? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, has a grade of an A. Transparent. Look at that. Transparent, an A. What the world? That is a good sign. That's an A. A is good, I think. I think it's still good, I believe. Okay. So that's a good sign. Yeah. Take a look to see if it has a. And does it? Is this the one? This the one? Leopard? Leopard? When is it? Leopard 84? Is this the right one? Is that the right logo? Yeah, it's the right logo. Okay. Look at that. We have our diamond in the rough, basically. Our first diamond in the rough, essentially. So, yeah. So, oh, yeah. I forgot to say my disclaimer. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Okay. So, yeah, this is a good sign. This is a good sign. Okay. Yes. Okay. Fantastic. All right, ladies and gentlemen, a good sign. Leopard. Okay. Seems like leopard's on the way. Yeah. Okay. Next to Candyland. Candyland, and copy that over. Token sniff it up. Candyland. Candylad. Sorry. I want to say Candyland. It's not Candyland, it's Candylad. Does it have a grade? Is it in here? It is. Okay, what does it give our score? Oh, good. Uh, yeah, audit. It's been audited. Okay, so that's a good sign. Even though it doesn't have it in here, but or a grade, but it has it here, so that's a good sign. That's a good sign. 86 out of 100, I think. So yeah, 30 out of 100. Okay, that's a score. That's better than nothing. So far we have two that are good. Uh, Candyland and Leopard. Next, now on to the next one. Is that name, which I cannot pronounce. Token sniffer. Okay, so okay, still the same. Yeah. Does it have no grade on there? Okay. Is it listed here? No, it's not listed. Okay. On to the next one. So, baby Shark Tank. I'm pretty excited about those too. Like you're going fishing and you find a nice fish, something, tuna, a 1,000-pound tuna. Oh, it's nice. I found a tuna. Okay. So we token sniffed it. That didn't yield any results. Anything different, I should say. Let's take a look at tokenomics. Nomic, excuse me. Doesn't list anything. And let's just for here, see if it's listed here. Lobo. Loki Bunk. Do our token sniffer on it. Okay, good. Doesn't have a grade. Fine. That the Yeah, that's probably it. Oh, it's not. That's Floki. Okay, now to the next one. Cabo. Cat Bunk. That's not the one we're talking about. Cat. Go to token sniffer. Still the same there. Cat Bunk. Okay, nothing. Cabo. CABO. Nope. There. Ultra. I know I was kind of like, remember I was talking earlier before? I remember this. It was like, yeah, the name is Ultra Safe. And I was like, yeah, Ultra Safe. That's looking, you're just looking for something, right? Basically, because of your name. So I said it. And let's see if it's did anything in the past couple days. 95, still good. All right. See if it's got a nomic score, like a grade. Oh, we're looking at a grade. Got a B. It's got a B. That's a good sign. It's got a B. It's not nothing. Got a B. That's a good sign. Okay. Now let's take an ultra. Come over to our board here. Okay. And find it. Okay. So it doesn't have anything there. No audits. So they well, at least it's there. But anyway, it doesn't have an audit. So moving on. Cat bread. This will be our last one, by the way. Cat bread will be a lot. Remember before I was talking about these. I'm not going to talk about touch those because they were questionable ones. So cat bread. Okay. Cat bread doesn't have a grade. Does it have a doesn't? Okay. So what we found today is two. Two great ones. Out of all those, we found two great ones. So we can say, hey, these are good. These are good. Not financial advice, of course. They're entertainers only. But yeah, so thank you very much. I'll put all the links again. I'll just put the links, these two links, and I'll put the links on these websites here, so you can, and of course the link to the video as well, so you can take a look at it. And okay, we'll see you in the next one.